What if I told you that a simple, slimy vegetable could balance your blood sugar, boost your energy, and even support fertility, all in just a few days? It sounds crazy, right? But this is the power of okra water. Stay with me until the end, because I'm going to break down the science, the history, the 9 big benefits, and even show you exactly how to make this at home. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Now, before we get into the science, let's take a step back. Okra, also known as lady's finger, has been a staple in African cuisine and medicine for centuries. In fact, it was one of the first foods brought over during the transatlantic slave trade, and it quickly became a symbol of survival, nourishment, and healing. Food is more than just fuel. It's culture, it's medicine, and it holds the wisdom of our ancestors. And okra is a perfect example of that. Benefit number 1, digestion. Okra is packed with something called mucilage, that slimy gel inside the pod. It may not look pretty, but that slime is pure magic for your gut. Science shows that mucilage acts like a natural prebiotic fiber, feeding your good gut bacteria. It also helps food move smoothly through your digestive tract, meaning less constipation, less bloating, and better absorption of nutrients. So if you've been struggling with slow digestion or irritated bowels, okra water might be your new best friend. Benefit number 2, blood sugar control. Studies have shown that okra can help lower blood glucose levels, making it incredibly helpful for people dealing with diabetes or insulin resistance. The secret? Soluble fiber. When you drink okra water, that fiber forms a gel in your gut, which slows down how fast sugar is absorbed into your bloodstream. This means no crazy blood sugar, spikes, and crashes. So instead of that midday slump, you get steady energy throughout the day. Benefit number 3, heart health. Okra is also a heart hero. The fiber in okra binds to cholesterol in your digestive tract and helps flush it out of your body. Less bad cholesterol, lower risk of heart disease. And get this, okra is rich in polyphenols, natural compounds that fight inflammation in your blood vessels. This keeps your arteries flexible, reduces blood pressure, and protects your heart. Benefit number 4, weight management. If you're trying to lose a few pounds or just maintain a healthy weight, okra water can help. The combination of fiber and low calories makes it incredibly filling. Drinking a glass in the morning can reduce cravings and keep you fuller for longer. Plus, when your blood sugar is stable, you're less likely to reach for junk food. Benefit number 5, skin health. Who doesn't want glowing skin? Okra is loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that help your body fight off free radicals, those damaging molecules that speed up aging. Drinking okra water regularly may help with acne, dryness, and even fine lines by supporting collagen production and hydration. It's like a natural beauty drink straight from nature. Benefit number 6, immune system boost. Your body's defense system loves okra. Thanks to its high levels of vitamin C and phytochemicals, okra water helps boost white blood cell activity. This means your body is better prepared to fight off infections, colds, and even inflammation. And let's be honest, who doesn't need a stronger immune system these days? Benefit number 7, joint and bone health. Have achy knees or stiff joints? Okra is a great source of vitamin K and calcium, both essential for bone strength. Plus, those antioxidants I mentioned earlier help reduce inflammation, making okra water a natural aid for arthritis or joint pain. Benefit number 8, pregnancy and fertility. This one is huge. Okra is rich in folate, a B vitamin that is crucial for women trying to conceive or who are already pregnant. Folate supports healthy fetal development and reduces the risk of birth defects. Some cultures even call okra water a natural fertility booster. While it's not a magic potion, the science behind folate makes this benefit very real. Benefit number 9, detoxification. Last but not least, okra is natural detoxifier. The gel inside binds to toxins in your gut and helps your body eliminate them. Plus, its high water content keeps your kidneys and liver functioning at their best. So you're not just hydrating, you're cleansing from the inside out. How to prepare okra water all right. So how do you make it? It's simple. Take 4 to 5 fresh okra pods. Wash them thoroughly and cut off the ends. Slice them into halves or quarters. Place them in a glass or jar of water. Cover and let them soak overnight, around 8 to 12 hours. In the morning, remove the pods, give the water a stir, and drink it on an empty stomach. It will be slightly thick. That's the mucilage, and that's where all the magic is. Hey, thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips.